I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clearing temporary data because stale cache often causes crashes. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Google Play Services, and tap Storage. Once there, clear cache, then clear data. This removes corrupted temp files, but not your account. Make sure to reboot your Infinix immediately so the system restarts background services. Rebooting forces Play Services to rebuild necessary files. If you use a custom launcher, leave it running. Clearing data only affects Play Services, not apps you installed. Next, verify the app version because mismatched components cause conflicts. Open Play Store, search Google Play Services, and update if available. Updates include bug fixes and security patches. If crashes began after an update, uninstall updates from the app info to revert to factory version, then install the stable update. When Play Store fails, download the correct APK for your Android version and architecture from a trusted source, then sideload. Always enable Install Unknown Apps only temporarily, and disable it after installing. Finish by confirming permissions and sync because Play Services needs account access to operate. Go to Settings Accounts, ensure your Google account is present and sync is enabled, then check Play Services permissions. Location and background data are often required. If problems persist, boot into Safe Mode to see if a third-party app conflicts. Safe Mode disables non-system apps. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. Troubleshooting tip: if errors continue, check battery optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.